friends, my name is Radia, and today we are going to learn how to create a website using Google Sites. So firstly, you're going to have to open Google Sites. And then you're going to have to press start a new site, blank site. So the first thing I usually do is to change the style. Can either add a custom style. Maybe the style name is going to be now. We need to pick colors. Well, you can pick one of these. So now I'm going to create a banner image. Banner image. There are many banner images, as you can see. Well, we're not talking about this type of banner images. We're talking about this type of banner image. Maybe I'm going to use this. Just going to have to save image as. We'll save it. Then add the banner image, upload. Here is the banner image. Maybe we should also add a logo. Remember that we used Wix logo maker to make a few logos before. Login. You're going to want to continue with Google or write your email. So I'm just going to quickly sign in. So now I've signed in, and here are both of the logos I made. I'm going to use one of them. I don't know. Select this. So I actually want to edit it a little. I just want whatever. I'm just going to download it. Okay, so it's preview.png. Upload. And we're going to go to downloads, preview. Next, create a scene. Well, use custom colors. I'm just going to pick one of these default colors because I am lazy. Next, titles and headings are removed. We have to add titles and headings. It's supposed to be the font you want. This is the font you want for the title, I think. Not this. Going to use this bold and this semi-bold. Creating. So the site's name is going to be. Okay, so the site name, I'm just going to write ObaTheCoder. So in your page title, you should write the title of your page. This is supposed to be I. Well, I just can't think of anything. Footer. I click insert and then insert one of these. Blah 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 blah. Google. You can use Google Drive. Blah blah blah. So this is quite simple. You can add you can add a few things, sheets, forms, charts, blah blah blah. You can add forms for some reason. There's blank quiz, English tests. Maybe I should add English tests. Why is this called blank quiz? So now we just added this. So here you can also add this footer. Blah blah blah. ObaTheCoder. Blah blah blah. But you just have to add something. Then you can publish. Then after that you have to. Then after that, if you want to view your published website, press this, copy the link, paste it in maybe Wix logo maker because we aren't using it now. So here it is. Let's do the English test. Blah blah blah. So yes. So yeah. That's it. So that is the end of today's tutorial. Make sure to like and subscribe and hit the bell. Bye.